during potentially dangerous weather situations. Specially built radios are automatically activated by this tone to warn you of impending weather hazards in central Arizona. Tests of these radios are normally conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of or existing severe weather in your area Wednesday, this test will not be conducted. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. To provide the most consistent warning service as possible,
3 hours and 30 minutes.
will only be activated for watches and warnings in Maricopa and Northwest Pinal counties. This concludes the test of the NOAA radio warning device.
Okay, so they issued it, but the effective time for it is extremely long. As you can see, but my Sangean CL-100 didn't know how to take it properly, so it says it's ending on whatever time that is. What the heck?